Hi guys, welcome back to another 50 strong video. In this video we're taking you to the north shore of the island of Oahu. We're going to the Turtle Bay Resort area. The resort is closed for renovations. It's going to open in summer of 2021, later on this year. But there is a lot of things to do here. We spent a weekend here doing a lot of activities. Hope you enjoyed this video. Here we are, Ida and I. We're gonna enjoy our day here at Turtle Bay.
North Shore.
Yep, the North Shore. We got our bikes, backpacks, picnic food.
Tequila.
We're staying at that place right there, right next to the golf course. We got some tequila, we got some pupus.
Margaritas.
Yeah, some margaritas. Come join us on our adventure. Alright guys, so here we go. We're gonna go outside of the normal path. This path we walked them in the past, and we're now doing it with our bikes. Should be fun. So just so you guys know, Turtle Bay is still closed. This is a hotel on the this side of the island. They're not open yet, but the townhouses around it, they are open. There's a lot of outdoor activities out here. And this is one of our favorite places. We can walk, hike, or do some biking like we're doing right now, right next to the ocean. Alright guys, so here we are. We're at the beach. This is where we're having our picnic. How beautiful it is. Not a lot of people. Okay, we started unpacking what we got here, guys. Check this out. We got our Jose Cuervo mix. For the first time, we're gonna try a mezcal of Montelobos. The first time trying Montelobos. We'll see how it goes. Got a little picnic gear right here with our forks, our plates, our limones. Make it simple. Little disposable cups. Nice beautiful view of the ocean. Oh, and check this out. My wife made this shrimp. Delicious. We already tried a couple of them.
Ayo.
Yes.
Camarones ayo.
Alright, so for the first time we tried the Montelobos Mezcal Artesanal. Primera vez que hemos probado este mezcal. Ida is gonna give it the review.
Alright.
What do you think, Ida?
So you first
How was
sniff
it?
It smells like gasoline. At first I thought it was turpentine, but then it smells like gasoline. But when you sip it, it's kind of like sweet going in. Gives it a little smoky taste in your mouth, and then the finish is like a peppermint finish. So we googled what makes it so smoky, and it's like they basically put the agave in these thin pits that are with lava rocks and charcoal, and they burn it. So that's why we're getting all that smoky, gassy taste. But anyways,
Smoky, gassy
just
taste.
add a little lemon, and it's marvelous.
Fabulous, right? A little bit of
Just like
sweetness to
tequila.
it, like they say, right? After the first shot, everything tastes good. Con el Jose Cuervo, with the Jose Cuervo, it takes a little bit of that bitterness out, a little bit of that taste out. No está tan mal, simplemente no le pongan tanto. Le pusimos un poquito, como una media onza.
Un poquito jugo de piña.
Yeah, un poquito
Hielo.
como de piña, yeah, a little bit of pineapple, maybe a little bit of ice. A lo mejor sabe mejor, it might taste better. Pero right now with this, it's good, it's bueno. And like I said, once you have the first shot, anything else tastes good after that. Alright, so for the first time I'm gonna fly my GTI drone that I got for Christmas as a gift from my beautiful wife right there. Oh, Santa gave it to me. I got my phone, my controller. Alright, looks like we're getting a closer look at Turtle Bay. There's a lot of remodeling going on over here. Yeah, it's been closed for months. It's probably probably coming up to a year already. But they're taking advantage of it and remodeling it. They know that eventually tourism is going to come back. Últimamente pues tienen que renovarlo para hacerlo más moderno y obviamente con anticipos de que los turistas regresen otra vez aquí a este hotel, a este resort, porque tiene unas vistas muy lindas. Es un lugar muy popular aquí en este lado de la isla de Hawaii, on this side of the island. It's a very popular place. A lot of people come over here for the sunset. Así como pueden ver, estas son las vistas de este lado de la isla y el hotel. Alright, here we are. Vamos caminando donde está la playa. This is where we're gonna go swim at. Aquí es donde vamos a ir a nadar. Estos restaurantes cuando están abiertos, mucha gente aquí. There's a lot of people here whenever these restaurants are open. Ahorita se vaya, el atardecer ya viene y hay muy poca gente aquí. Vamos a echarnos una nadadita. Let's go for a little swim. It's gonna be nice and refreshing, I bet. Aquí es el otro lado donde está el hotel. Hello guys, welcome back to another day in paradise. We've decided to take the bikes out again on a different trail here. It's kind of paved. We're still going to see the ocean along the way. This is our weekend getaway at Turtle Bay, the Turtle Bay area. Hemos llegado a una punta de la isla aquí donde está una cerca de hierro aquí donde dice no trespassing, beware of dog, keep out. Okay, so I decided to be brave. No hay nadie aquí, así es que voy para adentro a ver qué hay aquí. Let's see what's inside here. Picnic tables. Aquí con mesas de picnic. Una área donde está plano aquí. It's a nice little flat area. They got lights hanging. Looks like there's a trail that goes that way. ¿Qué hay acá más adelante? Let's go look this side. Muy interesante, ¿eh? Que haya aquí esto muy fuera de los restaurantes y casas, muy fuera del hotel. And we should get out of here before they catch us y nos entren al bote. They send us to jail.
guys, here we are one more time celebrating our weekend still. Tenemos ahora some wine. We got some, what else do we have here, Aida?
Mediterranean pesto olives.
Oh yeah, we got some olives.
And mango juice.
We got some cheese, queso. And some other goodies that we have over here. And let me turn you around so you can see the view from where we are now. Aquí les va la nueva vista de hoy. Miren nomás. Solitos. Nobody around. Nada de gente. Estamos en la sombra. Later on we're gonna go on the sun. We're gonna play in the water. Pero muy relajado. Very relaxed. We're gonna go on a little walk here on the beach where we're at.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it. Para las personas de idioma en español, suscríbanse a mi canal para ver más videos de estos, de mi isla de Hawaii. Get out there and live, guys. See you on the next one.